Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be using the Rec Tec Matador and making some bacon fried rice. This is my wife's inspiration recipe. She makes it all the time. It's freaking awesome. Let's get going. So let's go over the ingredients for our bacon fried rice. This is very simple. There really isn't any exact measurements here. I got about 1.5 cups of cooked rice, 1 pound of bacon, we need bacon, some frozen peas and carrots, soy sauce, some chopped green onions, and I got about 5 eggs in here. You can vary the amount. This is what works for us. We make a big batch for family night here for dinner. So let's get these let's get this going. So I got our Matador on low. I'm gonna go ahead and start with our bacon. We're gonna get this nice and crispy. All right, our bacon's nice and crispy. We're gonna go ahead and push these up to the sides here. We're gonna go ahead and drain out some of this bacon grease, but we're gonna save it because we're gonna use this later. We're gonna add our eggs. Some green onions. Some peas and carrots. Get our bacon in there, join the party. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our rice. Just start breaking down all the lumps, start getting it all stir fried. I'll take a little bit of our bacon grease, pour just, I don't know, a couple tablespoons. That rice is going to absorb that bacon fat. Hit it with some soy sauce, and again, go by taste. Some like a lot, some don't like that much. Give us a little taste. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the Matador off. And that's it, nice and simple, pretty quick. Some bacon fried rice. All right, so there you have it, some bacon fried rice. Now, I already know this is gonna taste like because we have it quite a bit, but just to show you guys, I will put this up against any fried rice takeout from any Chinese place. This stuff is incredible. Again, you can tweak it any way you like to. My wife has some special variations that she does every now and then, but this is bomb. You guys give it a try. Let me know what you think. Hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.